No matching distribution found for Django equals 2.2. I am deploying a Django app on a DigitalOcean droplet server that I developed using Django version 2.0. Using PuTTY to SSH into my Ubuntu server, I try to upgrade using pip install Django equals 2.2. I get the following error message. Which is obviously not true. What am I missing here to upgrade? I saw a similar post from a while ago when someone was getting the same error message, but that was because they were searching for a version that was not released yet. The version I am trying to get is clearly available. Before I tried to upgrade Django, I did.
Pip is usually the package manager for Python 2.x. Django 1.11 is the last version of Django that works with Python 2.x. Django 2.0 only works on Python 3.4 or higher, as is specified in the documentation on installing Django Therefore, the package manager cannot find Django 2.2, hence the error. You likely want to use Python 3.x anyway. So you can install the package with the package manager for Python 3.x, pip3.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.